School is in, school home at 101. We are having some buffalo chicken thighs here. So I've seasoned them up with my chicken rub here, okay? And like I told you, I always brine them. I wash them off and brine them. And I have a stick of butter in here, melted. I am going to take some red hot, whatever your favorite sauce that you like. And I'm going to put this whole bottle in here. I know you guys can't see that, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do here. Okay. So now I'm going to take this and mix it up. Just try to mix as much as you can. Okay. And then you're just going to pour it over. And it's best that you let this set overnight. But I didn't do that because I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, take my hands. And just let the sauce drench. Smells good. Like I said, you can use your favorite hot sauce. You can put Tabasco in here if you want to. You want to make sure you get under the skin. Okay. Get under that. Alright. Now I'm going to move this over and get my pan that has the rack. Okay. Get this close to the pan because I don't want this all over my stove. Alright. And you just want to make sure that you fold down the skin on the chicken thigh. Keep doing that, and you're going to put it in the oven on 350 and let it cook for about, these are pretty thick. So I said almost an hour, but just keep checking on it till the skin comes somewhat crispy. Okay. Just keep layering that. And you guys, I have a merch, so if you look under the video, you'll see my merchandise. Okay. Join my Facebook group, Cook With Me. Share your favorite recipes, your pictures, and your story behind them. Alright, you're going to keep doing that. Okay. Okay. Now this extra sauce right here, you just want to keep putting it over here. Now what I'm going to do with the extra sauce, I'm going to go ahead and cook that. I may or may not, I'm not sure. Or you just take it and just baste with it. And my hands are my best tool, so don't be coming to me and say, why don't you get a brush? I do have one, you guys see me do it. And some people's asking, how come I just don't go ahead and get myself a set of utensils instead of using a white spoon. I like my white spoon, and I do have quite a bit of sets of utensils. Okay. You can just pour this over here if you want it. Excuse the label, guys. I didn't take the label off here. Okay. So that's all you want to do to that. Put it in the oven on 350. Let it cook for about an hour. And okay, I'll see you when here is my buffalo chicken thigh that I have reduced, you know, the sauce that was left over. I put it in on the stove in a pot and reduced it some. Okay, so it's okay to eat that because it's cooked. All right, so here's the mac and cheese that I told you that I had made. All right, and I made it, seasoned the chicken with this, my chicken rub. All right, so here it is, guys. I need me one of those little turning table thingies. Turntable. Yeah, turntable. That's what I need right here. So here is my mac and cheese with my buffalo chicken thigh. And it was baked, and I baked it for about an hour. Now if your chicken is thick, you want to probably bake it a little longer, but watch it so you won't dry out the meat. Okay, because it will dry out. And the skin is not really crispy the way I want it. It's because I marinated in the buffalo sauce. So it's not really, yeah, it's not really, well, whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So here it is, guys. Let me know that you was in class today so I can mark you present. Raise your hand and let me know you was here, and let me know what you like about it. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, what's wrong with you? You need to do that. And you haven't hit that notification bell, what's wrong with you? You need to do that also so you know that I am coming on. So guys, I want you to make this, rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell again, and let me know that you were in class. As I'm getting ready to say, I love you, I always pray for you and pray for peace, and I will see you next Saturday in school.